Welcome back everyone to another vlog. So today I'm gonna show you the coastline just before Hurricane Beryl reached Jamaica. So this is the day before. So it's stated to be a category 4 that is going to be downgraded to a category 3 as it goes across the island. And you can see down there in the bottom left of your screen a time frame of when it's gonna go over the island, also the maximum sustained winds, and you can see in the purple shading there it's gonna go straight over Jamaica. So you know category 4 going over Jamaica is gonna be a big issue. A lot of flooding, a lot of trees gonna be teared down, a lot of landslides and stuff. I didn't think I mentioned where I'm at currently, but I'm at the end of Portmorant Bay going towards Lesson, down at that area that they call Cornell Cove. Yes, I'm walking going towards Lesson side. But as you can see with the sea is just pretty normal right now. But you know, tomorrow around 12 going to 1 o'clock, it's gonna be pretty rough. Yes man, when the category 4 touch on the island. So all we have to try to do is try to stay safe and heed the necessary warnings. So as you can see on the left of your screen, that is a projected part of the storm, and you can see up there this video is being edited after 12 in the night. So this is what the storm is projected to do as it goes into tomorrow. So we'll see it saying like 1 hour from now, 2 hours from now, 8, 10, 12. So this is what is gonna happen according to the weather model. Alright, so right here you can see a list of available shelters in St. Thomas to persons who need the shelters. So if something happens and you can manage to reach there, try and go to one of those locations. I'm trying to see if I can find some other shelters in other parishes, but unfortunately I'm not seeing them at the moment. If when I do, I will leave a link to those shelters in the description of this video, or I will put them in the community section of the video, so look out for that. So I'm just imploring all my subscribers in Jamaica to stay safe, and I know most of the persons on the east coast are going to feel it more than the rest of the island, because that's where the landfall of the hurricane will be. And I know in St. Thomas especially, places like Portmorant, where the old main road is, that's behind the police station where they're currently digging down, I know there's going to be a lot of land slippage right there. Trees gonna be down in the road and stuff, because that dirt behind the police station is a very loose dirt. Also you have places like Amity that they recently started to dig down. That's another area that's gonna be affected very badly by land slippage. And you know, Golden Grove is always flooded when it's raining heavily, and now because of a storm it's gonna be extremely flooded. Also, you have areas like Danvers Pen. I noticed that they started to do some work up at Danvers Pen, as in trying to block out the river from going into that little section that leads to the community. I can leave a link to a video from last year when the community was flooded, and you'll see where it leads to the community. Alright, so this now is as of 11:25 p.m. in the night, what we're seeing on the east coast. Yes, man. So I'm just giving you a little view in the night of what is going on. There's a lot of lightning and a steady amount of breeze some of the time. And you can see my dog right here just come up and look at the camera. I guess he was a bit curious as to why the phone was there. Yes, but as you go along, you're gonna see a lot of lightning in the sky. No rain, but just lightning. So I also feel for the persons who live in Grandspan, as with the highway where the old road for Grandspan usually was, the highway has a drain just below it, and that's directly in the path of those residents who live in Grandspan same way. So you know that all that water of the highway is gonna go straight down into the community and wreak havoc down there. Hopefully they can like evacuate quick enough to go somewhere else so they don't have to face the full brunt of that water along with the rain and stuff that is going to come. But for now, I'm gonna leave you all here. On Thursday I will be going around to check out the damage. Unfortunately I still don't have a drone, so you know you're not gonna really get much overhead view, but whatever I can do from the ground I will do, so you can see. So stay tuned for that. And as I said before, to all my subscribers, stay safe as we ride out this storm. With that being said, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and click the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Alright, stay tuned and thanks for watching.